Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process on how you can go about officially deleting your Hulu account if you want to do that. Now, this is different than unsubscribing from Hulu, and it's also different from just simply removing profiles off of your Hulu account. This is if you want to completely remove your Hulu account from existence. Now, those other two things, unsubscribing as well as removing profiles, I've made separate videos on how to do that, so you can check those out in the video description if you want to do that. But first you need to go to hulu.com. I'll link this website right at the top of the video description, and then in the upper right hand corner, click on the menu and then go over and click login. Then of course you have to enter in the email and password associated with the Hulu account that you want to delete. So I'm going to type that in and then go to the next page. Then once you're logged into your Hulu account, find where it says the name on your account, hover over it, and then go down and click on where it says account. That should take you over to the Manage Your Account page. And once you reach this area, go ahead and find where it says Your Account. And then something should say Update Info. That is what you want to click on next. Then on the Update Personal Information page, scroll down to the bottom, and below the gender box, there should be a link that pops up in this area that allows you to officially delete your Hulu account. And that is if you're not currently already subscribed to Hulu. Now, I currently have the $5.99 a month subscription, so it doesn't give me the option to officially delete my account. But again, if you're not currently subscribed to Hulu and you just want to officially close out your account, it should show up in this area. So I hope this video is helpful in terms of a step-by-step process on how you can go about officially deleting your Hulu account. It should be right in this area if you're not currently subscribed to Hulu. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you back here for future videos.